Welcome back to AR Gossips. In the world of entertainment, certain connections between actors light up the screen, leaving fans craving for more. Ling Ling Shirilak and Om Kornapat, two names that when mentioned together bring to mind not just talent but an undeniable bond. But what if their chemistry wasn't just confined to the screen? What if the connection between them went beyond the scripted lines of their beloved show, The Secret of Us? A love story, not just for the fans, but a story for the hearts of all who believe in the power of true affection. It all started when these two stars, destined to shine in their own right, met on the set of The Secret of Us. From the moment they shared their first scene together, something magical sparked. The way they looked at each other, their subtle smiles, and the silent exchange during the most emotional scenes hinted at a connection that was more than just professional. Behind the scenes, their bond only grew stronger. It wasn't just their shared passion for acting or their love for storytelling. They found solace in each other's company, a sense of understanding that only those two truly trust one another could ever have. When cameras were not rolling, they had spent hours talking about their lives, their dreams, and their experiences. The kind of deep conversation that two souls have when they know they have found someone who gets them. This was not just friendship, it was something more, something deeper. As the world watched their on screen love unfold, fans began to notice how effortlessly they embodied the emotions of their character. Two people who, despite their struggles and differences, find something truly rare in one another. But what they didn't know was that off screen the story was beginning to mirror that of their characters. Ling Ling and Om were falling in love, a slow, inevitable love that was as real as any romance could be. Their chemistry on screen began to reflect in their everyday lives. The way they would glance at each other during interviews, or the little inside jokes they shared that only the two of them understood. There was no denying it, their bond was undeniable. Fans started to root for them not just as characters but as a real life couple, hoping that what they had on screen could transcend into reality. Of course, neither Ling Ling nor Om have openly confirmed a relationship and their privacy remains theirs to protect. But the love between them, whether romantic or a deep, unbreakable friendship, is evident to anyone who sees them together. Their shared moments, from attending events, supporting each other's project, to simplify enjoying each other's presence, are glimpses of a love that is genuine, pure, and unforgettable. Perhaps it's not about whether they are a couple in a traditional sense. Maybe their love story is about two people who found something extraordinary in one another, a bond that can't easily be labeled. Whether it's friendship or romance, one thing is certain. Ling Ling and Orm have created something beautiful, something that fans will cherish forever. So, whether it's on screen or off, we will always be here hoping to catch a glimpse of their love. Because true love isn't always about titles or labels. Something it's just about finding someone who makes you feel seen, heard, and understood. And that's exactly what we see when Ling Ling and Om are together. Subscribe for more amazing videos.